So children, in the last video I have discussed with you the definition for string, and then we have discussed about how differently we can define the string, right? In this video what we are going to discuss that we will be starting off with the string class methods. So first of all we will be discussing about the different methods, and then we will be starting programs based on the string. Okay, so first of the function in this list is trim method. Okay, so trim method, as it is written, that it removes white spaces from both ends of a string. So suppose you have been provided with a string, and the one question is that what is that white space? So white spaces are the normal spaces that you will see. Like if you have written something like this, the one space that you have given in between is known as the white space. Okay, in programming it is not said as blank, it is said as white space. Okay, so these white spaces are there, and trim function will do what? It will remove the white spaces from the both ends of a string. Okay, and the syntax for it is string object dot trim. Okay, now if we are considering a string mystr, and in that we have stored the hello world characters like this, and you can see the white spaces on the left over here, white spaces over here, and one white space over here at the right hand side, right? So what it will be doing, that whenever you will be writing the statement as string object dot trim, so over here in the print statements in system.out.println, we have written mystr.trim. So what it will do, mystr.trim, this will print the value for the thing. Okay, and how it will be printing? It will be printing by just removing the white space over here and white spaces that is after this word D over here. So what will be the output? The output will be like this. So you just have to remember the method, what the method does and how it is implemented. So what the method does is that removing the white spaces before and after the string, right? And what will happen in that case? In that case, the output will be like this. If you have written the hello world like this, and output will be produced like this, hello world. Okay. The second in the list is, or the second function in this list is toLowerCase. As the name itself says that toLowerCase. So in this method, what we are doing, that we are provided with a string, and that string is maybe in the combination of upper and lower letter, uppercase and lowercase letters, right? So if you will write toLowerCase in to convert a string, what will be done, that all the capital letters or the letters in the uppercase will be converted to the lowercase letter. The syntax for it is string object dot toLowerCase. This is the syntax. So whatever object you will create for the string dot toLowerCase, this is how you will be writing. So first we are taking the string as string txt is equal to hello world. Hello world, we have written the string over here. See, in this H is kept in uppercase and W is in uppercase. So when you will write down system.out.println txt to lowercase, in that case what will happen? This hello world will be converted to the lowercase. And when it will be converted into the lowercase, what will happen? The value H and W will be converted into the lowercase letter, printing the thing as hello world over here. So you must have noted that after using the lowercase, the uppercase letters H and W are converted into lowercase letter, where the output you will find as hello world. Okay, so this is the second method that we have studied. So this method is used to convert the string letters in uppercase to the lowercase, or if suppose all the letters in the string is in capital letters or in the uppercase letters, in that case what will happen, you will apply the toLowerCase and every character will be converted into the lowercase characters like hello world we have done over here. Okay. The third method in this list is toUpperCase method. So the toUpperCase method is used when you have to convert a string, all the string letters into the uppercase letters. So in that case, we have taken an example for string txt is equal to hello world, and in the print statement you have written system.out.println. So in this case, what will happen that when txt is followed by toUpperCase, so what will be happening that whatever text you have, string text you have taken over here will be converted into like this. Like means some of the letters are in the lowercase letters, so they will be converted to the uppercase letters like this. Hello world, this will be the output. Now the next method you are familiar with. In the arrays we have used this method, that is length. So over there what we have done with the length method, that we have used it, and what it has provided us the length of the array. Okay, so over there we have counted the number of elements in the array, and that had found you the value for the length. Same is the case over here. The working is very much similar with the thing, just that the syntax of the thing is a bit different. Over there you have written a.length and your work is done, but over here the syntax for the thing is string object followed by length, and this round bracket over here is used. Okay, so suppose the example we have taken that string txt is equal to abcd, and from a to z we have written. So already you know the number of characters in this English alphabet is equal to 26. So if we will be calculating the length of it, txt.length if we have written, so what it will be doing, it will be counting the number of characters. So it will count it from here on, and it will count the number of characters. So when you will count it, the letters will be equal to 26. So what will be the output printed from this statement? The output printed will be 26 over here. Why it is 26? That again in length method you will be counting the number of what? Number of characters in the string. Okay, so see, the working of the thing for the length is same, whether you are considering in case of array or whether you are considering in case of the string. But over here, just that the syntax has changed, so nothing much have changed with this. Just you have to remember the syntax for it. Okay, so this was it for the length method. The last method in this video, the last method is charAt. So at using the charAt method, suppose you would like to choose one of the characters from the string. In that case, you will be using this method. So suppose you have to draw out one of the character from the string. Like if hello is there and you would like to extract one of the character from the string, then in that case you will be using the charAt. And again it works on the basis of the index provided. So string object, the syntax for it is string object dot charAt of index. An index number should be provided. Okay. As I have already told you about the index number of the string starts with 0. So again it will be starting it from 0. This h is on 0th index. This is on 0th index. This is on first, second, third, fourth. And what we are doing, that we have declared the string mystr and the string name is hello over here. And we have taken a character, because you have to take out the value for the character, so you need to declare a character char. You have to declare the character by writing char result. So result is the character that you are saving, and in that what you are saving mystr.charAt as 0. So charAt 0, that means for the value, the character at the 0th index will be taken out from the string. And what is the character at 0th index? The index is equal to h over here. H is the character that is present on the 0th index over here. And in the next statement, system.out.println, the result is printed for over here. Okay. So already in the result over here, in the last line, we have provided the value for it. mystr.charAt has provided the value h and result has the value that is equal to h, and that h value will be returned over here when you will be printing the statement system.out.println. So children, in this video we have discussed about these 5 functions, that is trim, toLowerCase, toUpperCase, length and charAt method. Okay. So with this we come to the end of this video. That's it for today. Thank you.